Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back everyone. I haven't really done anything to the layout over the past few days. Uh, that has now started to become uh, a regular of not doing anything on the layout, but messing around with everything else. Um, I just about 5 minutes ago, I went underneath the layout and I pulled out a couple of boxes. And let me take you over to the work table and we'll take a look at them. Well, that one's still sitting here. I haven't really done anything, even over at the work table. Um, these three are still sitting here. This one's the one that we were running. These are the screws that I was waiting for, so I can start fixing some of those, some of the rail cars that need trucks and wheels. What else is there? That's it for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder this one in a few minutes. I'll do it off camera. I won't do it on camera. You've seen soldering jobs before, but we're gonna open up this package right here. Well, I've already opened it. I opened it off camera, but okay, what do we have? So we have another Chattanooga. Road number 5628. And who is it made by? It is a Tyco. Yes, Tyco. So that'll be number what, 3 or 4 that I have of that one. I don't need to buy any more. I think I went on a buying spree on that type. See, there's one there. We have one here. So somebody's gonna get used for parts. This one runs. Where's it at? This one runs. The one over here, I can't remember if it runs, but if it's over there, it must need work. Okay, let's see. And this one is the Boston and Maine, which is one. This was the reason why I purchased this one, because of this one. I've never had this one before, and I like the paint scheme. Red, black with gold, or yellow, however you want. So we're going to test them. Let's put this one somewhere here. We'll just set it right here for now. All right, okay, so hold on while I pick up my mess here. That way I have room to walk. I don't want to hurt myself. Hold on a second. Okay.